my Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Man, so we back with another one, another part. You actually just caught me in the middle of some shit, cause I forgot to start recording. Taking the steering wheel off. I don't know if I'm gonna go wood wheel with this one or what, man. I'm kind of on the fence, to be honest with you. I kind of like the original wheel, but either way, I gotta tighten up this column, because that's a no-go. Watched a couple videos on YouTube. Hopefully that's all it is. There's a couple screws in there, tighten it up, put it back together, and we in now. All right, man, so let's see, right by the camera. All right, man, so after you bust down the column, you're gonna have to unplug the parts, unplug this at the other end so you can have enough slack to get it up and get it over. And then if you look right there, there's a screw right there that gotta be tightened. There's some thread lock on there so it don't come back out. But now, as you can see, the steering column's not doing all that wobbling and stuff that it was doing before. So it's good to go. Now when you go to shift it or anything like that, it's not gonna be all over the place like it was before. So I watched the video, I found some videos on YouTube, I followed the videos, and I got it done. I don't recall any of the names, but it was 3 or 4 of them. I just took a little bit from each video, put it together, and yeah. So now I gotta put all this shit back together. And then I guess in the meantime, decide if I'm gonna go with the wood wheel when I got it apart. Also went ahead and bought a new lock cylinder. Because the old key, where's the old key? Oh yeah. See the old key here, like I said, it's all beat up, ate up. And yeah, the key itself look even worse. So we went ahead and got a new one. So now we have a new lock cylinder and a spare key for like 18 bucks, G to G. So, yeah. So now come the fun part, put it all back together. All right, so as you can see, we got a steering wheel back in there, column fully assembled, new lock cylinder with our new keys. Everything's good to go. Horn works. Everything's good. So, what's the next step for the program? Finish tidying up the wires. And then, like I said, we're gonna have to dive into that tune, get that right, and then that's pretty much it. Of course, there'd be more that we're gonna do. Probably gonna start sanding this hood. I got like a raindrop of fucking paint. This is the actual color that it's gonna be. So we'll get the paint ready. We'll test it on the hood. That's probably the worst part of it. And then eventually we'll go ahead and paint the whole car. But for right now, it was just pretty much getting it to where it can move on its own power and go from there. So tidy up the tune, Mount the fans. We was talking about that last time. Still hadn't done that. We'll probably dive in that tomorrow. Cause this, along with the other car, pretty much took the majority of the day up. So we're good to go though. It's a box Chevy world. It's a box Chevy world. Not just a fad, but a way of life. Yes, sir. So stay tuned. No updates. But yeah. I mean, as far as everything that I knew that had to be done, that was it. Cause that column was dumb loose. But now it's solid. It's solid. Them 2 screws, you know, made all the world in the difference. You did have to dive off in there, but it's good to go. So, till next time, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.